Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Yashoda Kamala from University of Applied Sciences Europe. First of all, I would like to thank Renu, the Director of Goodspeed Immigration and Study Abroad, for giving me an opportunity to reach out today and talk about University of Applied Sciences and the current situation in Germany and the admission process. In between, if you have any questions, you can drop in the comment box. Soon after the session, I will reply to that. Okay. University of Applied Sciences is a private state accredited university, and also we have program and institutional accreditations. We have FIBA and SIVA, and our degrees are globally recognized German degrees. And UE is one of the top 25 universities in international orientation and top 10 business institution in Germany. We have three campuses: Berlin, Hamburg, and Iserlohn. Regarding the current situation in Germany, as you know, the Germany seems to be more affected than other countries, but this is due to the fact that the Germany started testing quite early on, so we have the accurate numbers, and curve is already flattening now. More than one third of the infected people are healed. And comparing with other countries, mortality rate is very low in Germany. It's 2.2%. Also, Germany is loosening the restrictions slowly. As smaller shops are opened again, people can go out a bit more now. And it's a gradual process to avoid the second wave, obviously. These are the good news coming from Germany. Recently, a study from Deep Knowledge Group, which was published in Forbes magazine, Germany is ranked worldwide second place next to Israel. How they dealt with the whole situation during the crisis. Again, apart from this, very important subcategories. Germany was actually the first place. The subcategories like the healthcare, efficiency, process monitoring, more supportive government, emergency treatment, euro on safety, etc. Ultimately, everyone would like to study and live in a country that provides certain safety and healthcare for the people. Germany is one of the best social security system in the world. Also, Germany used to crisis. They have faced the division of Germany, fall of wall, and they used to deal the situations like this, and they always get back on their feet. As you know, Germany is the fourth largest economy worldwide, just after United States, China, and Japan. Now let me discuss about our programs, admissions, and application procedures. We have three faculties, like we have business faculty, sports and media faculty, and arts and designs. Here I'm going to talk about the programs which are which are taught in English for our international students. Our bachelor programs are business management studies, digital business and data science, and sports and event management. Then game design, communication design, photography, film and motion design. And our master programs are financial management, corporate management, international sports and event management, media space, innovation design management, visual and experience design, photography. Apart from this, we have a foundation year program which is called the Student Colleague. In India, we have 12 years of education, that is the 12th grade. But for Germany to get into a public university, they require 13 years of education. So the additional year, foundation year, will be provided by us. And as a private university for our undergraduate students, 12th is more than enough for the to get into the bachelor's program. If the student is interested to get into public universities, they can go through our student colleague program. But there are two different streams: technical stream and business stream. Technical stream is for the engineering students, and business stream is for the students who are looking for commerce subjects, supply chain and management, international business. Those students can choose a business stream program. And also we have a tie-up with a public university, so soon after the student colleague, they can get into our tie-up university. We will provide the offer letter along with the student colleague. The conditional offer will be provided along with the student colleague to that public university. And I'm not going in detail of each programs. Further, Nikita from Godspeed, she is expert in those programs and all. She will help you with this. Now, let me explain about our entry requirements and application process. As you know, Germany is a non-native speaker of English, and also our programs are taught in English, so we don't require IELTS if the student have done their previous education in English medium. Like if the student is not from English medium, they have to submit IELTS score of 5.5 for undergraduate, and for masters they have to submit 6.0. And if they are submitting the medium of instruction letter, along with the medium of instruction letter, we suggest them to take a test which is called EF set test, which is for free. We will provide you with a link. It's a 50 minutes test. Reading and listening will be there. And the undergraduate student has to score 51 marks, and the master student has to score 55%. And apart from this, other academic documents for undergraduate like 10, 12 mark sheets, and CV should be till date, and SOP photograph, it has to be submitted. And for undergraduate students who choose business management studies, digital business and data science, and sports and event management programs, they have an additional criteria. They have to attend a 2.5 hour online exam that we will provide you with the logins once the application is processed. It's a 2.5 hour exam. In between 10 minutes break will be given. Like it will cover the basic mathematics, basic English, logical reasoning, aptitude kind of test. Then for arts and design, additionally we require the portfolio. For example, if it's a game design student, they have to show a small game or a board game, and they have to explain how they did it. And if it's a photographic student, you can share 15 different varieties of pictures and which camera the student used. That too can be shared. And after the assessment of few cases, after the assessment of the portfolio, there will be an interview scheduled with the process to discuss about the portfolio and why they are interested in this field. And the application process, we have PDF application. Application fee is waived if you process through Godspeed. And once your documents are complete, we will issue the conditional offer letter and a study contract. For confirmation of your seat, like the you have to pay a reservation fee of 3,000 euro deposit and the signed scanned copy of study contract to us. We will issue the letter of acceptance, then accommodation supporting letter, and other supporting documents which are required for your visa. And in case if your visa is rejected, we will refund the 3,000 euros, deducting 150 euros as an administrative fee. And for this month, like May 2020, we have a special offer. We are providing the students 20% scholarship of first year tuition fees, and the deposit amount, that is the reservation fee amount, is lowered to 3,000 to 1,000 euros. So if you are getting any offer letter this month, you can pay it on this month for 1,000 euros. And collaboration and internship, obviously you'll be having a question like whether you'll be able to do the internships. And we don't have just semester based internship. Between semester we have internship included in the semester, which makes mandatory as a part of the program. We work with renowned partners like Audi, Volkswagen, Twitter, Adidas, Unilever Limited, and many more are there, who impart the real world skills to our students. So besides university theory, the students will get practical experience, and 93% of our students are placed within 6 months after the graduation. And we have experienced professors who have doctorate degrees, and our economic professor, Stephen Kur, he is advisor of Federal Ministry in Economic Issues, and our professor, Stephen Sherratt, he is advisor of Olympic Committee, and our photographic professors, Matthew Report, he's he have filmed a documentary Lighter Than Orange, which has won many awards. And also we have excellent campus resource and facilities. For example, if the student is doing a photography course, he don't want to buy an expensive camera, we are there to provide. Uh, and other accessories like laptops, cameras, everything is there. Just you have to utilize it. And we have radio stations, TV station, green studios, screen printing. We have Apple Mac Pool and motion design lab, etc. And other than this, our university provide excursions. like participating in our study trips, the students will get an opportunity to meet large companies and startups, networking, etc. Then also we offer assisting in finding accommodation, and we have a career center team, and where the aim is to support and guide. They will assist you in making job applications and building up contacts in our company and alumni networks. They also prepare you for entering from the workplaces. The students are offered an extensive advisory coaching session like personality development, then how to get through the HR interview. Those things will be given. And the life and career in Germany. Definitely, you will be getting soon after your course, you will be getting a stay back of 18 months and to find your first full time job. With a study visa, you can work 120 full days or 240 half days in a year. You know, Germany's unemployment rate is very less in Europe, like it's a 3.4 percentage. And we are currently accepting applications for September intake now. Actually, this is the right time to apply. So if you have any questions, please mention on the comment box. I will reply you. And once again, I would like to thank Renu Godspeed Visa for hosting this live session. And all interested students, please contact Godspeed for the hassle-free uh, experience. And thank you so much for your time. Stay safe and stay connected with UE. Thank you.